Hey Stephanie. So when you're in your class, you want to go over to where it says lesson plans, not homework drop. I think that's what you were talking about, or any of this stuff. I think this is all for Fax has its own system, kind of like Google Classroom, but we don't use that. So when you go to lesson plans, you want to put things in the homework notes section because then parents can see it when they go to, I think, like they can see it on the general facts page. You just hit add and then you put whatever you want in the box that pops up and then just hit close because it'll automatically save. So when this comes up, it's like everything from there. You want to make sure you're always in this section. I've made the mistake of putting it here and then parents have to dig a little deeper to find it and no one likes to do that. So yeah, just put it in the homework notes section and hit close and it'll save automatically. All right. Thank you. Bye.